PR release, you can take as much as 4 lozenge a day. Can I take more than that and I don't overdose?
1 second. Actually, if you look at any vitamins or minerals, there would be what we call as daily minimum dosage. Whereas for gluta, it has not been, because it is not a vitamin or a mineral, it is just a food supplement. So there are instances where it all depends upon the scale of the skin type, what we have, whether we are skin type 4, skin type 5 or skin type 6. The more the higher is more the darker is the skin. Depends on how fast you want to achieve your lighter skin. You can go up to 4. But what we recommend is 1 lozenge a day early in the morning, empty stomach is the best time to take. But you can take it even 4 times. There is no issue. But don't take 4 at once. That is the thing what we suggest and recommend.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Shine, prior to meeting people at TioCell, I'm sure nagtatake ka din naman ng ibang brand before, siguro, I don't know. But ang question ko talaga is, how do you keep that youthful look of yours through the years ng besides itong mga bagay na to, besides science, besides glutathion, ano pa yung sikretong pwede mong i-share sa amin? Bakit ka ganyan? Bakit ka vampira?
Hindi naman masyado. No, but kidding aside, I love to sleep. Introvert kasi ako, so I'd rather stay at home with my kids, sleep, and I stay away from negativity and dramas. Ayoko ng drama. So, positive lang. Positive ang outlook sa life. Always be grateful for what you have. And kung ano yung wala, you always just focus on what you have. And of course, aside from TioCell, I work out. I work out 3 to 4 times a week. I used to box. Nagbaboxing ako eh. Pero ngayon, iba naman. So, soon, in a few months, you'll see a version 2.0 na sunshine naman. So, I'm working on myself. Yun lang, so, self-love. Kailangan lang mahalin ang sarili. Yun yung sinasabi ko even before. If you expect a person or people to love you, you have to love yourself first. Diba? So, yun ang ginagawa ko ngayon, to stay healthy, fit, not just for myself, but for my family. Ayun. Nasabi ko na yung secret ko.
Good afternoon. Okay, I would just like to ask Sunshine, aside from using TioCell, do you have like any intensive skincare routine, you know, like the Korean 10-step skincare routine, or do you just keep it simple with just, you know, facial wash or something like that?
Open naman ako no, na Kathy Valencia. I'm also an endorser of Kathy Valencia. So once in a while, I do facials. Actually, before Ulthera, may ganun ako, may mga ganun akong ginagawa once a year. Facials only. Pero very, very simple ang skincare ko. I remove my makeup. I don't sleep with makeup on. And just a moisturizer, eye cream. Of course, when you turn 40, actually 30 pa lang ako, nag-eye cream na ako. Kasi doon mo makikita talaga pag nag-age sa eyes. And what else? Drink lots of water. Water talaga. Lagi akong merong dalang water. And sleep. Sleep talaga. Kasi kahit anong skincare ang gawin natin, if you lack sleep, then makikita talaga sa skin natin.
Okay, another question. Seeing you and your beautiful daughters, parang po kayong magkakapatid. So, before, were you involved in their skincare routine? Like, nagbibigay ka po ba ng advice on how to take care of their skin before silang tumanda? Or they did just figure it out all on their own?
Ginaya nila ako. Yeah, so nakikita nila kasi kahit nung bata pa sila, how I take care of my skin and they would imitate me. So, pag meron silang mga blemishes, of course, I tell them to do something about it. Yun lang. Kasi syempre, puro kami kikay, puro babae talaga. And I think it's an advantage na ang mommy nila medyo kikay din. So, of course, as a mom, ayaw mong makita na ang mga anak mo medyo napapabayaan din ang skin. So, I tell them what to do. I take care of them.
Last question, if titignan po namin yung Kikay Kit ni Miss Sunshine ngayon, ano yung makikita namin? May lipstick ba dyan? May blush on? Ready to use na sunscreens?
Meron akong, Rona, yung bag ko, nandun sa kanya. Makikita ninyo, I have a makeup pouch. Of course, I have a, nandiyan din ang aking Thiocel. Kasi on the go talaga. Ang Thiocel, what's nice about it is, anywhere, anytime, you can take it. Kasi nga, it's in lozenge form. So, nasa bag ko rin yun. And I have my cologne and I have wet wipes. So, very simple. I think lahat ng babae, kung ano yung nasa bag ko, meron din yung iba.
Okay, so if it's okay to ask, nisisunod niyo po ba yung recommended time of intake ng Thiocel or do you follow your own schedule?
I take it every morning. Yeah, in the
Like
morning.
as advised po?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Miss
Thank you.
Sunshine.
No more questions. So, Miss Sunshine, thank you for sharing some of your secrets. And for our closing remarks, may we invite Sir Bernard to say a few things.
Birthday boy.
Thank you. Thank you everyone for coming. I just hope that you could go back and spread the word. For glutathione in the market, this is the only oral that works. All the rest, if they ingest it, only traces amount of gluta will be left. Only Thiocel gives you the maximum amount of glutathione that goes into your bloodstream, and it is not just a claim that we're saying. We have 2 scientific studies to prove it, and none of the other brands dared even to commission a study. Study is expensive, but it has proven that Thiocel really works. The first one was presented in the International Journal of Dermatology. It's a very reputable publication for dermatologists. And the next study was presented in the American Academy of Dermatology. So this is not just a claim that we're saying. So it really works. When we went to America to talk to the doctor, he said, you know, you Filipinos just like the whitening. But the most important advantage or the thing that glutathione can do is anti-aging. That's why now we're into the second phase of our promotion, not just whitening, but anti-aging. So it really works. So I hope all of you can go back and spread the word. It's really good. Thank you very much, and thank you for sharing your time.
Thank you, Sir Bernard. I'd like to issue a special challenge to the media today. All of you will get a sample of Thiocel for your personal use. If you could do a before and after photo challenge, we'll select some for special